Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the assembly of four-wheel drive pod. The parts required for the assembly are one chassis board, ultrasonic sensor and servo motor holders, motor brackets, 4 DC motors, 4 wheels, screwdriver and nut and bolts. First of all, insert the motor bracket in the slots of the chassis. Then place the motor in between the brackets and then fix it with the help of nut and bolts. Similarly, connect the second motor to the other side of the chassis. Tight the nut and bolt with the help of a screwdriver. After attaching the back two motors, now we are going to attach a front two motors. So again insert the motor bracket into the slots. Place the motor in between and fix it with the help of nut and bolts. Similarly, connect the other motor to the other side of the chassis. Tight all the nuts and bolts with the help of a screwdriver. Now attach the wheels to the motor shaft. So this is how a basic assembly of four-wheel drive bot is done. Now let's see how can we attach an IR sensor holder to the chassis. So first of all, connect the two parts of the IR sensor holder together as shown. And then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Similarly, connect the two parts of the another IR sensor holder as shown and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Now attach the sensor holder in the slot and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Now let's attach an ultrasonic sensor holder. So first of all, connect the two parts of the ultrasonic sensor holder together and fix it with the help of nut and bolt as shown. Now place the ultrasonic sensor holder on the chassis as shown and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. So this is all about the assembly of four-wheel drive pod. Thank you.